Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss region of root. This is a very basic topic from the chapter Morphology of Flowering Plants class 11th. Let's discuss this from the diagram first. After that you can read your NCERT book and you will be able to understand it clearly, right? The root is a very delicate part of the plant, and because it has to penetrate the hard soil, and due to the friction of soil the root can be damaged. So the tip of root or very extreme tip of the root is covered by cap like structure, or we can say it is covered by thimble like structure as per NCERT. This cap like structure is called root cap. Another technical term which we use for root cap is calyptra. Now there are n number of chances that this root cap will be damaged due to the friction of soil. So it has to be regenerated. So this regeneration is done with the help of certain cells which divide continuously. These cells are called meristematic cells. And the regions where these meristematic cells are present is called region of meristematic activity. And this is very small in size, and this region is present proximal to root cap, just above the root cap. Another very important part about meristematic cell, very important point about meristematic cell is that they don't have the vacuole, but the newly formed cells have very small size of vacuole, and then gradually the vacuole get enlarged in size, and the cell will also get enlarged. So the region where these enlarged or elongated cells are present is called region of elongation. So these elongated cells then get specialized to perform their specific function, and they occupy a region proximal to this region of elongation, and this region where these specialized cells are present is called region of maturation. So some will get specialized to form epidermis, some will form cortex, some will form vascular tissues like xylem and phloem. So the epidermis forms some hairy outgrowth. These hair-like projection of epidermal cell is called root hair. These are called root hairs. The function of root hair is to absorb water and minerals from the soil, and they also increase the surface area for absorption. Now let's discuss some possible question from this topic, right? Root cap is formed by parabellum, calyptrogen, vascular cambium, or none. So root cap, another term I told you for root cap was calyptra, and the cells which generate calyptra are called calyptrogen. So answer will be calyptrogen. Second question, which of the following has active cell division? I told you earlier the meristematic cells have the capability to divide continuously, so but obviously they will show active cell division. So the options are region of elongation, meristematic zone, region of maturation, or root cap. So the answer is meristematic zone, right? Next question, the cell of which region are responsible for growth of root in length? The cells of which region are responsible for growth of root in length? Root cap? No, because it is present at the tip of root and it's very small in size. Region of meristematic activity? No, because this is the smallest region of root. Region of elongation? Yes. Why? Because in region of elongation, elongated cells are present. So the answer will be region of elongation. Next question, what is the smallest region of root? I have repeated this so many times. Meristematic region is the smallest region of root, and where it is present just above the root cap. Another important information about meristematic cell is that they don't have vacuole. I have also mentioned an assertion reason. Let's understand this. Meristematic cells have prominent nucleus and dense cytoplasm, but they lack vacuole. Reason: meristematic tissue are continuously dividing. This is true. And they have prominent nucleus and a dense cytoplasm. Since they are dividing rigorously, they need not to store food or waste product, hence they lack vacuole. Let me read it one more time. Meristematic tissue are continuously dividing. This is very true. And they have prominent nucleus. Yes, they have prominent nucleus and a dense cytoplasm. Yes, they also have dense cytoplasm. Since they are dividing rigorously, they need not to store food or waste product. Hence, they lack vacuole. So, this information is totally right. The function of vacuole is to store either food material. They store food material and they also store the waste product. But the meristematic cells divide continuously, so they don't need to store food or waste materials. So in this, both assertion and reason are true, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. First is correct. So this was all about regions of root. Thank you very much. Keep studying.